Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to play Axis in Power BI. So, click here, get more visuals. Right on here, play Axis, and click here, play Axis dynamic. Press add. As soon as you press add, this app will appear in the visualization section. You can hear. You can see here. Click on it. Now bring it in the center. In the field, take the order date. Now generate the another chart, the bar chart. Click here. Bring it in the center. Expand it. On the y-axis, again take the order date, which we had taken on the play axis. And on x-axis, select the sales. Let's take one more segment also in the legend. Click on the play axis button. Go and format your visuals, animation settings, auto start on, loop on, and just see 2014, 2015, 2017. Right? So this is how you can use play axis button in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share my videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.